The viewer's voice. The first is about a Balch Springs home-based church where the pastor's wife is charged with injury to a child. Police say she convinced church members God was talking to her and through her, and that a 2-year-old boy had demons that could be chased away by not allowing him to eat for up to 25 days. Police said the boy died. Linda writes, "Everyone that was there and did nothing, all of them are guilty. So sad not one person helped this baby. God doesn't tell you to murder people." Next up, the widow of a Dallas firefighter wants the city to bring in an outside investigator to look at how her husband died. About 600 pages of Dallas Fire Rescue's official report have never been released, and she and her attorney think there's a cover-up. Will wrote, "Firefighters are the only ones who run into buildings, burning buildings, while everyone else runs out. He deserves a second look. A wife should know something isn't right, especially if she's talked with multiple Dallas firefighters." Finally, a Plano police officer shot and killed a dog that had attacked and bitten 7 people, including a young child and another officer. Greg writes, "Oh no, police shoot a dog. All the animal rights people are going to protest now. People get over it. There are good and bad apples in every job. This was a smart officer protecting others." Greg, I think you have a bad call there. I haven't heard of any protests, and haven't received a single protesting or complaining email. Let me hear from you, 214-720-3103, or send an email. Click About Us, then contact us at fox4news.com.